Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, how to design a modern infographics layout with custom shapes. Start with a clean white background and also draw circles using custom shape tool for each info sections. Change fill color for each step and also add icons inside each circle using smaller shapes. Now draw lines connecting them or flow. Now insert your text beside each one. Align everything neatly with guides. Add shadows to separate layouts slightly. The infographic looks clean, bright and professional. Custom shape tool ensures